Good day, everyone. I will be going to discuss the operational and facility management practices of IKEA UK. So, this case study discusses the operational and facility management practices of IKEA UK, one of the world's leading furniture retailers. IKEA is known for providing affordable, functional, and stylish home products. When IKEA expanded into the United Kingdom in 1987, it had to carefully plan how to locate its stores, manage its large facilities, organize its supply chain, and maintain a good shopping experience for customers. The main focus of this report is to analyze how IKEA selects store locations, manage its facilities, and handles logistics in the UK. Although IKEA's operations have been successful, the study highlights that improvements in accessibility, inventory response, and space efficiency could make its operations even better. So, for the background, IKEA entered the UK market in 1987 and built large scale stores, mostly in out of town retail parks. This location strategy was chosen because IKEA needs large spaces for its showrooms, warehouses, and parking areas. Most stores are near major cities such as Belfast, Cardiff, Glasgow, Birmingham, and Leeds, while a few are located around London. Some stores, like those in Coventry and Southampton, are built inside city centers to adapt to limited land space and high land costs. A professional UK property team manages the development and expansion of IKEA stores. They use special software to study customer travel patterns, income levels, and population data. One important rule is that the stores should be located within 1 hour's drive of about 1 million potential customers. Accessibility, public transport links, and nearby retailers are also considered important in site selection. IKEA's supply chain in the UK is supported by a distribution center near Peterborough. However, many suppliers deliver products directly to stores. The company uses an EPUS-based automated system to manage stock levels with frequent daily deliveries. While the system is efficient, it can sometimes face problems if suppliers are delayed or if customers' demand suddenly increases. IKEA stores are very large, usually between 33,000 and 45,000 square meters, which has led to creative design such as multi-story buildings, rooftop parking, and energy-saving features like skylights. And that is all for the introduction and background.
So in evaluation case, there are working and not working. So first is working. So IKEA's location strategy works well because it places store where a large population is within 1 hour from a driver in Musia and near other outlets. So shopping trips are convenient and part of a larger shopping day. So the stores are also designed works as a room style displays, helps customer to imagine whole room and buy coordinate range rather than a single item. So there are not working. So there are three main problems at IKEA. So first is site cost and size. So large plot of multi-story buildings are expensive. So this raise fixed costs and makes location decision critical. And second is limited backpack space, means store must have rely on frequent deliveries and tight stock. So control any delivery disruption can make product availability. So third is customer travel dependence. So because of many customer drive and spend long time in store. So IKEA must keep parking and opening hours and in store service. So like cafe, that's like cafe and children's care. So that service add operational costs. So this problem exists because IKEA business model requires very large retail space. So heavy customer usage and frequent restocking. So they are affect the profitability, customer satisfaction, and operational risks. So the first solution is optimize site mix. So IKEA can improve its overall operation by choosing stores location more strategically. So IKEA should placing more stores outside the city because the land is cheaper and there are more space for very large store layout and parking. So however, IKEA should also open more city center or multi-floor stores in highly populated area so makahelp ni siya who do not own cars and rely on buses or train. So doing this gives IKEA access to more types of customer while keeping cost manageable. The next solution is strengthening supplier to stores logistics. So it is important of having strong logistics. So IKEA has already the system where many products delivered directly from supplier to stores. And also it is UK distribution center can respond within 2 days to strengthening this system further by improving delivery planning, avoiding stock shortage, helps ensure that shelves stay full and customers always find what they need. In short, choosing the right mix and store's location and improving deliveries helps IKEA product affordable, available, and easy to access. Third solution is improving the store flow and back of the house efficiency. So IKEA can improve what happened inside the store. So I suggest using electronic point of sales data to predict which products sell quickly so that these can be restocked before they run out, and also keeping small backup stocks for popular item or adding mini storage space near at the store to handle fast moving products. So these steps can improve efficient and reduce the chance of empty shelves. So the fourth solution is enhancing customer experience while controlling the cost. So improving the customer experience without increasing too much. IKEA room style displays, market halls, and self-serve warehouse already helps customers see products easily and buy them out at a low price. So keeping this feature is important because they are part of IKEA's other winners. At the same time, they using skylights and LED lighting saves energy, which lower expense, and also adding cafe and family friendly space also encourage people to stay longer and enjoy the visit, and supporting IKEA's idea of a family day out. So all of these improving match and challenge described in IKEA case that support the company long-term success.
Finally, the in-store experience can be improved also. IKEA could add more children's play areas, introduce interactive digital display, and also update its restaurant menu to match local preferences. Adding drive-up pickup lanes, better parking guide system, and more shortcut paths inside the one-way layout would help manage customer flow, especially during peak hours. So these changes make shopping faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. IKEA can also improve its supply chain performance by expanding distribution capacity. Building an additional facility in Scotland and Northern England would help keep products available year-round and reduce delivery times. Working with more local supplier would also make the supply chain faster and more resilient. Another key recommendation is to continue investing in environmentally friendly store features such as skylights, solar panel, and energy efficient cooling system. These lower operating costs and appeal to customers who value sustainability. To strengthen IKEA's operation in the UK, there are several strategic steps the company can take. First, IKEA needs to rethink its store layout and store formats, developing more multi-level or small format stores similar to Coventry model would allow the company to reach more customers in urban areas. This is especially important for younger consumers and people living in city who often rely on public transportation instead of driving long distances. Next, IKEA can further enhance its digital experience. This includes better in-store navigation, live inventory tracking, and more advanced AR and VR features so customer can visualize furniture and room designs at home before buying. These improvements increase convenience, one of IKEA's major order winners. In conclusion, this study shows that IKEA's success in the UK is not accidental. It's the result of aligning location, store design, and supply chain efficiency into one powerful strategy. IKEA doesn't treat store location or store layout as simple real estate decision. Instead, they are core parts of how the company delivers low prices, high convenience, and a memorable shopping experience. So for retailers and managers, the lesson is clear. Your location strategy, your store layout, and your logistic must work together if you want the company's promise or order winners to truly reach customers.